Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bunny, your English teacher, and today we're going to learn English through a familiar and comfortable setting, the family dining room. Dining rooms are great places for conversation, and today we'll use this environment to improve your speaking and listening skills. Ready? Let's dive in. First, let's start with some essential vocabulary. In a dining room, you might find table, chairs, plates, glasses, silverware or cutlery, napkins, serving dishes. Now, let's practice some phrases you can use while setting the table. Repeat after me. Can you help me set the table? Please place the plates on the table. We need more silverware. Where are the napkins? Let's move on to some common dining room conversations. Imagine it's dinner time and the family is gathering around the table. Here are some phrases you might hear. Dinner is ready. Please pass the salt. How was your day? This tastes delicious. Can I have some more, please? Now it's your turn. Let's do a role-playing activity. I'll pretend to be different family members, and you can practice responding to each one. Ready? Let's go. How was your day at school? Can you pass the bread, please? This reminds me of a dish we used to have. Do you like it? Describing food is another excellent way to practice English. Here are some descriptive words you can use. Delicious, spicy, sweet, savory, crispy, tender. Let's use these words in sentences. This soup is delicious. The chicken is very tender. I love how crispy the vegetables are. Before we wrap up, here are some tips to improve your English through conversation. Listen carefully. Pay attention to what others are saying. Ask questions. This keeps the conversation going and shows you're interested. Use new vocabulary. Don't be afraid to try out new words and phrases. Practice regularly. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll become. Let's have one final practice conversation. Imagine we're finishing dinner. I'll start. Thank you for dinner. It was wonderful. Do you need help with the dishes? Great job, everyone. Practicing English in everyday situations like the dining room can really help improve your skills. Remember, the key is to keep practicing and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. See you next time.